About to spread my words on the beat like butter, with my dick far up into the gut of your mother. First solo track White Lightning ever did, so please bear with me while I murder this shit, kid. I'm tall, I'm white, rocking skinny jeans and Jordans. I rap like a wigger and girls think that I'm gorgeous. Fortress made of money, making millions while I'm touring. Rapping so much that it's boring, I'm snoring. Hit you with a slobber knocker, punk. Call your girlfriend up for a quick butt fuck. Sending out buckshots, chest full of shells, looking like the shoreline. Faggots try and save yourselves. Built like a truck, bitch, and build like a cannon. One hit from me, best believe you ain't standing. Fuck the fat bitch, I think her name was your mom. 9 months later, she gave birth to a bum. You're the gayest thing since gay came to Gaytown, where your dad is the mayor and he gives dudes reach arounds. I only spit that lyrical wizardry, you see, where every line I say is rewriting history. Every time I spit on a beat, it's a victory. Play this in a bad neighborhood, you'll get an injury. Solo track wrapping up, it's coming to an end, and I beat it and I fuck it and I kill it till it's dead. Thank you for your time, I had to get that off my chest, and you know I rep my crew. Sloth dance, we the best.